Hey you guys, Fabulously Charlie here. Um, I have quite a few unboxings to do. I've been really busy. I look like crap. This is like one of my first days off in a bit. So let's kind of get into it. I've got a couple of Ipsy unboxings. Got my monthly razors. So we're just gonna open we're just gonna open bags if we can open bags. Another thing of razors. I don't know what month is what, so we'll just figure that out as we go along. I got my icon box. I know my icon box is like the oldest of all of my things. I've got a Scentbird subscription that I don't even remember when I got this. Yeah, it's been a minute. So this is my Scentbird, and apparently I got strawberry shortcake, which I'm pretty sure I got this one before, but it smells really good. Strawberry shortcake. It's got, let's see, strawberry jam, wild strawberries, bergamot zest, vanilla shortcake, and whipped cream notes. So that's what came with this. Nothing else in the package. So that is my Scentbird. That's my Scentbird. And like I said, with my Ipsy, I get my razor refill. So let's get into what we've got. We'll do the icon box last because, you know, why not? So this one, I don't know. Okay. This one is the March glam bag. This is main character energy. It's in a tomato. It's a tomato-ish looking, so it's really nice. Let's see what I got. So I've got the Balance Me BHA Exfoliating Concentrate. I've got Ofra B5 Serum, Moisturizing Serum, whatever. I've got what is this? Ty's Beauty Cheek Treat Liquid Blush in Juice. So let us swatch this bad boy. Maybe. Kind of, sort of. We'll see if everything will stop sticking to me, because, you know, so we're gonna swatch. That's dark. And this is, that's supposed to be blush. I'm gonna have to play with that one, because that was just a little bit, and that's a lot. And I'm not even wearing any makeup today. I've just kind of gotten up and I was like, I got things that I need to open. So that's kind of it rubbed out on my hand. It's still kind of there, but oh my gosh, that's a lot of color. I have got Bump Eraser Body Scrub, safe for sensitive skin. So bye bye bumps. This is Keratosis pilaris, bumpy skin. So we'll try that out eventually. And then I've got a multi-dimensional highlighter, Formula Z Light Bulb Swirl Liquid Illuminator in Berry Slay. Now, that's pretty. It's got some shine. We like. It goes... Okay. We just gonna have to get some makeup wipes or something, because now I've got highlight, I've got blush all over everything, all over my leg. It's great. So that was what was in my March. And I swear I'm not being lazy, you guys. I've just been really, really busy. And then our weather has been giving me a lot of migraines and headaches. So it has just not been the greatest for me. So this is the April glam bag. This is spring into self-care. I like it. I like the feel. So oh, and this one was in there. So let's see what we got. We will open bubble wrap first. Bubble wrap, because we all love some bubble wrap. But there's no popping. No poppy for the bubble wrap. Okay, so we have got just Zamia. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. It says You and Me in Miami eyeshadow palette. Love when everything comes packed where you can't take it out of the packaging. Ha! And there we go. So this is You and Me in Miami. There's all those colors. I've got too much on me. I would love to swatch these for you, but we're not going to do that. So they're really, really pretty. We will try those out. Pinky Bee Beauty had me at primer. So this is illuminating primer. I'm just having all sorts of serious problems today. So this is illuminating primer. So it's supposed to give your makeup a dewy and glowy base, which I can kind of see that. It's dewy and glowy. So we're going to stick all this back in this bag. Now, K Voss NYC Lip Trip Liner in Tribeca. Now, I have noticed that sometimes when you're trying to open an eyeliner or a lip liner, the best way to do it is to try to twist it. Sometimes that will get it to open. All the plastic is sticking to me. I guess I have a magnetic personality, or a, not magnetic, static personality today. Very static. So let's look at this. Get in the bag. Oh, that's pretty. That's a nice shade. That will work with some of my lip liners. So I have Olaplex number 8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask that moisturizes, smooths, and adds body and shine. It's a mask for your hair, which I do definitely need that. And this is Hydrangea Tea Intensive Hydration Serum by Biro. So this is supposed to leave your skin feeling plump, dewy, and soft after you cleanse. You spread 2 or 3 drops over your face and then follow with a moisturizer. So, cool. So that is March's bag, April's bag, Scentbird, and now we go to the icon box. Dun 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 dun. Ow. Because, you know, we just gonna get right into it. Okay, so this is the icon box, which I'm thinking came out in maybe February. I don't know. So let us look and see what we have gotten. Again, razor refills, because I am just so great like that. So I've got Shades by Shan premium 5-piece brush set. So this includes crease blend, detail blend, lid, and precision blend brushes. And it gives which one is which on the back. Okay, this is Heaven Grade Body Serum Dew of the Gods Amalfi Glaze. Sounds interesting. I swear I need to keep more things where I can open things. Keys open things. Well, okay, I don't need keys. I just need things to open things with. Okay, this says enriched with the nourishing benefits of argan, olive, and macadamia oils, Amalfi Glaze deeply moisturizes and rejuvenates your body, leaving skin silky smooth and radiant. Infused with hyaluronic acid, this oil of the gods not only hydrates but also smooths and plumps your skin for a firm, flawless, and dewy glow. A light touch of shimmer leaves your body looking sun-glazed for the gods. It says use warm 3 to 4 pumps of our dewy glaze in your palms and lightly massage all over your body. Interesting. My question is, what does it smell like? It smells good, but it's gone everywhere. Okay, so thank God I am wearing shorts. It smells really good. It smells very citrusy. I like it. I like it. I like that. Okay. Fresh soy face cleanser for all skin types. Rich in amino acids. Gently cleanses face and eyes. I don't know. It's not open, so I can't get a smell. Elemis Superfood Matcha Eye Dew Gel Refreshing Eye Gel. Okay. Okay, I see what we're working with. This, I do look tired a lot, so this would probably work. So this cooling gel immediately quenches and hydrates the eye area throughout the day. Gently pat around the eye area. Use alone or under/over makeup. If contact with eye occurs, rinse eye thoroughly. Do not eat. This is a cosmetic. So if you get this, do not eat this. Just because it says matcha does not mean you can ingest it. So I got a Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer blush in Providence. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna be able to see it. It's very light. Yeah, it's very light. I don't know. We'll play with it. Then I have a Fenty Velvet Liquid Lipstick in Riri. Okay. So, ooh, she got color. She got some color. Ooh, she got some color. Okay. We like. And then we have Ambient Soft Glow Foundation in Hourglass in 7, I don't know. In 7.5. So, oh, she works. That's, like I said, I'm just testing it out because, you know. Ooh, she matches. Yes, she matches. We good there. Okay, that's good. And last but not least, we have Makeup Forever, the Professional Mascara Volume Routine. I'm not putting on mascara right now. I already look like... Okay, so we have step 1, which gives you lift. And then we have step 2, which gives you volume. Okay, I see what you're doing. So, it's a 2-stepper. So you put on one and then you put on the other. Nice. So, that is officially my unboxing. I am not going to go through in detail everything I got on this because, one, I have left this unboxing far too long, and oh my god, yeah, we went too long without uploading a video or anything because Jesus Christ. But we've also been dealing with a lot of stuff. Yeah, it's good. We'll get into the other stuff later when I am more apt to sharing about it. Good God. So thank you for watching. If you like my video, hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to follow. I'm just here living life, doing my thing. So see you on the next one. Bye.